Hi Plant Fam, this is Ayn and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm finally back with another sit-down video and it's been a while since I did this, so medyo pagpasensya nyo na if magiging awkward siya or medyo hindi ganon kaganda yung aking magiging trail of thoughts, although normal lang naman yun sa akin. So today, I just wanna sit down and have a chat with you guys. This is going to be a chatty plant video, but this is going to be about, as you may have already read from the title, it's about how one of my Monstera constellation died. So this happened last year and I haven't had the time to actually sit down and talk about it, and I haven't even shared it with anyone. But I really want to do this video to help you guys out or to just share my experience, and hopefully ay meron kayong matutunan at hopefully ay hindi rin mangyari sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin. So yeah, if you guys wanna know what happened, what I did or what I did not do, why it turned out that way, kung bakit nga ba namatay si Monstera constellation, then just keep watching. Okay, so simulan natin of course with the back story. Para lang meron kayong idea kung ano ba yung naganap, paano ba nangyari ganito, ganyan, di ba? Alam niyo na. You know me, alam niyo gusto ko yung may mga back story tayo, di ba? So anyway, in 2019, I bought 2 Monstera constellations. Now, if you're thinking,
wow, ang yaman natin girl, dalawa yung binili niya.
Alam naman natin, or kung hindi mo alam, noong 2019, sobrang iba pa yung presyo ng mga halaman. 2019, I got 2 Monstera constellation for only 1,500 and 1,600 pesos each. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat. And to be fair, yung size nila, hindi sila seedling size at all. I'd like to say na medyo medium size na yung plant. And one of those, actually potted pa siya. So, I got them from 2 different shops. Since I got 2, so I decided na paghihiwalayin ko sila. Since I'm not 100% sure if okay ba na ilagay ko sa loob ng bahay ang Monstera constellation, because back in the day, in 2018, I had a Monstera deliciosa inside the house, and nabanggit ko na tong story na to, but muntik na siyang mamatay sa akin. So, ang ginawa ko, nilabas ko siya, and sa labas nag-thrive talaga siya. Yun actually yung Monstera deliciosa na pinakita ko dun sa aking Monstera deliciosa and epipremnum pinatum comparison video. So anyway, since nga hindi ko sure kung dapat ko ba siya ilagay sa loob, nag-decide ako na paghiwalayin sila. So, one of the Monstera constellation, nilagay ko siya sa loob ng aming bahay. And yung isa, I placed it outside near our front door, as in yung main door namin. So, it's been there from when I got it sometime around July or August 2019 until last year, 2020, I decided na it's time to bring it inside. Why did I decide to bring it inside? Merong iba't ibang rason. Actually, merong 2 reasons why I decided to do that. Number 1, because nga, yung nilagay ko sa inside the house ng Monstera constellation, yung kasabay niya, it's doing well inside the house. Wala akong nagiging problema sa kanya. Nagpo-produce siya ng bagong leaf. Hindi nga lang siya ganun kasipag mag-produce ng leaves, but I'd say na okay naman siya inside the house. So, naisip ko, maybe I can also put the other one inside. Second reason, and actually this is the main reason, is that kailangan ko yung spot kung saan nakalagay si Monstera constellation for my Ficus Audrey. Kasi, napansin ko na si Ficus Audrey, hindi siya masyadong hiyang sa loob ng bahay. So, I need a space outside na merong bright indirect light all throughout the day and makakakuha ng morning light. And the spot where my Monstera constellation was located, yun yung perfect spot. If you watched my old videos, yung mga haul videos ko before, minsan nakikita nyo siguro or nakita nyo na at the back, sa background yung aking Monstera constellation. Katabi siya ng aking 5 feet na rubber tree. So yun, yung location na yun, doon siya nakalagay. In 2020, I had that brilliant idea na ipasok ang aking isa pang Monstera constellation inside, because I became that confident na mabubuhay ko siya inside. And from when I placed it inside around July 2019, so iksabihan for 1 year, not 2019, July 2020. So for 1 year, July 2019 up to July 2020, it's been outside our house. And then I decided to bring it inside. And for the next 2 months actually, na nasa loob siya ng bahay, sobrang okay niya. Walang problema. Wala akong nakitang kahit katiting na sign na hindi siya okay. Because it has even produced 3 leaves for me and lahat ng leaves healthy. But then, on the 4th leaf na pinroduce niya, yung pinakabago niya, as in new growth, na hindi pa nag-unfurl, that's when I realized na, thinking about it, doon siya alam mo yun, everything went downhill. Ano nga bang nangyari? Yung new growth na yon, it took a while bago siya nag-unfurl, or hindi talaga siya nag-unfurl. Like, 1 month na, hindi pa rin siya nag-unfurl. And being the chill plant mom that I am, syempre, hindi ako na-alarm about that. Hindi ako napaparanoid about that. But, aside from that fact, 2 months inside the house, that Monstera Constellation, actually, may one day after siguro mga nasa running third or nasa 3rd month na siya, bigla na lang 2 leaves yung natanggal sa kanya. Now, for some plant moms, eto na yun red flag na to, or reason na to panic or to think na, wait, is my plant dying and all that. But again, being the chill mom that I am, hindi ko siya pinroblema. Inisip ko na lang, as I always say, old leaves have to die in order to, make way for new ones. So, yun yung mindset ko. So, hindi ako na-alarm, wala akong inisip na, siguro hindi healthy itong plant ko. Now, after that, after meron 2 leaves na nawala sa kanya, si new growth, hindi pa rin siya nag-unfurl. But then again, I don't see that as something alarming. But I've noticed something, and siguro ito yung isa sa mga dapat, well, aside from the 2 leaves na, as in, at the same time silang natanggal, siguro ito yung isa pa na dapat I treated it as a red flag already, and it's that I saw black spots doon sa stalk nung aking Monstera Constellation. But, inisip ko pa rin that time is, it has a new leaf, it has unfurled, it has produced a new leaf for me like just 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, as in recently lang. So why should I worry? But then I saw black spots na doon sa stalk niya. So during that time, it was rainy season kasi yon. Dito sa Pilipinas, tag-ulan nung mga panahon na yon. Usually with my plants, kapag, for example, merong plant na hindi nag-unfurl agad, or may plant na feeling ko malungkot siya, pinapaulanan ko sila because we know rainwater is really beneficial to plants. If I remember correctly, napaulanan ko siya for a couple of days, iniwan ko siya sa labas, nababad siya doon. Which is probably one of the reasons, or siguro yun na yung biggest mistake sa lahat ng nangyari, because binabad ko siya sa tubig. Kumbaga, inayaan ko na maulanan siya ng maulanan for 2 to 3 days outside the house. And then after that, pinatuyo ko lang siya saglit, siguro mga 24 hours. Malaki kasi yung pot niya, and I'm pretty sure na hindi pa siya tuyo fully, but pinasok ko na siya kagad sa loob ng bahay. So anyway, after that, I've noticed na hindi pa rin nag-unfurl si new leaf. Now, that's the time, since siguro mga 1 month na or more than 1 month na, that was the time na I've decided na, wait lang, hindi na to normal. Because usually, after a month, or let's say, usually 2 to 3 weeks to 1 month, makakita ka na ng sign na yung leaf ay bumubuka na. But this time, hindi talaga siya bumubuka. So, everyday ko chine-check yung plant and all that. But, that was only the time na talagang tinignan ko siyang maigi. As in, chinek ko maigi yung new leaf, chinek ko maigi yung mga stems. And that's when I realized na the stem or the stalk was already rotting or nabubulok na siya. Nangingitim na siya. And when I saw na naging mushy na yung mushy na yung pinaka-stalk ng new leaf, alam ko na hindi na siya mag-unfurl because obviously bulok na siya. So, dun ko palang ginawa yung dapat sana ay ginawa ko na noong nakita ko na meron siyang black spots or nakita ko na may 2 leaves na natanggal sa kanya. And that is, tinanggal ko sa pot yung aking Monstera Constellation, tinignan ko yung kanyang roots. And that's when I discovered that the roots are dead. So, wala na. Deads na siya. Itim na siya. So, my initial idea is, tanggalin ko yung soil, ilipat ko siya somewhere kung okay pa yung roots niya. Kung hindi na okay yung roots niya, let's say, makita ko na bulok na, kumbaga ay nagka-root rot na siya, then that's the time na puputulin ko lahat ng roots and ibababad ko sa water yung pinaka-stalk, yung pinaka, kung ano man yung may node sa kanya, di ba? But then, it's too late because even the main stalk of the plant, as in yung, di ba, yung roots and then yung pinaka-stem niya, all black na siya. So, ibig sabihin, sobrang nabubulok na siya. So, yun yung nangyari. And obviously, wala na akong magagawa doon. Kundi tanggapin ang katotohanan at ang, kumbaga very unfortunate na pangyayari na yun. If you're gonna ask me kung ano yung nagawa ko that probably has caused that, I think, diba, for the longest time, it's been outside. And outside, I water that at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. And when I brought it inside, I treated it the same. Kung paano ko siya tinreat outside, it's the same treatment that I did when it was inside. And that is probably the first mistake that I did. Because obviously, iba ang condition outdoors and iba ang condition indoors. When it comes to soil, syempre mas mabilis matuyot, mas mabilis mag-dry up ang soil kapag nasa labas because there's sun, there's air, yung air circulation, as compared to when it's inside the house. How I watered my Monstera Constellation is the same with how I water like almost all my plants. I see to it na tuyo na yung kanyang topsoil or nakikita ko na nag-drop down na yung kanyang leaves. But the problem is, even though that's the case, hindi pa rin ibig sabihin nun na tuyot na talaga yung kanyang lupa. So, I'm assuming na yun talaga yung first mistake na nagawa ko with the plant. And maybe that's the reason why nagkaroon siya ng root rot. Second is the fact na pinaulanan ko siya. Yes, rainwater is very, very, very good for plants. It's very beneficial. But, pag nasobrahan pa rin ang isang plant ng water, kahit rainwater pa yan, kung nasobrahan siya and hindi na dry up yung kanyang soil and nakulob siya bigla, which I think is what happened, so, there's really a possibility na mag-root rot pa rin yung halaman. Third mistake na nagawa ko is, I didn't take what I should have considered as red flags. So, kumbaga yun nga, hindi ko siya masyadong inintindi nung nakita ko na may dalawang leaves na namatay because nga, alam mo yun, I have this mindset na talagang old leaves naman, talagang namamatay siya para yung plant magpo-produce ng new leaves. But then, siguro, the thing is, siguro kung isa lang yung leaf na namatay, okay pa yun. Pero yung fact na dalawa siya, that's kumbaga, dapat sana ay naging cause of alarm na siya sa akin. And aside from that is yung black spot. So, I could have, already uprooted the plant and repotted it or something like that. Kapag nakakita kayo ng black spots sa stems ng inyong plant, unless talaga it's a natural, dark spot sa plant, medyo dapat ay maging cause of alarm na siya. Although, meron ako kasing mga plants na meron talaga nagkakaroon sila ng dark spots and they're still doing okay naman. So, anyway, ayun nga, yeah. So, I think the main lesson is that always check your plants, of course. I mean, I do check my plants, but at the same time, I'm very complacent. So, yun, don't be too complacent about your plant parenting skills. And also, always keep in mind the condition as to where your plant is located. So, sabi nga, diba, if comfortable na yung plants doon, if okay na siya doon, it's healthy, it's thriving in a specific spot, then leave it there. Okay, leave it alone. Yun yung isa sa mga mali, or hindi naman mali, but I could have been more careful with moving it indoors because it's been outside for a year and bigla-bigla na nilagay ko siya sa loob and, yeah, things went downward spiral after 2 months. So, I even posted a photo on Instagram when I placed it inside the house. Sabi ko pa, please don't die, ganyan. But, things happen. Such is life. Wala tayong magagawa. So, yun lang. That's my story for today. So, ayun yung nangyari sa aking Monstera Constellation. Hindi ko pinicturan yung bawat stages, like nung nakita ko na kasi parang nanghina ako, guys. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko siya nakuha na mahal. Hindi, I mean, as compared to its price, like now, na sobrang mahal ng mga Monstera or Monstera Thai Constellation, diba? Definitely, I got it way cheaper kumpara sa presyo niya ngayon. But still, nandun yung panghinayang sa akin. Nanghinayang ako hindi dahil dun sa kung magkano ko siya binili, but the fact na ang mura ko siyang nabili and namatay siya and alam ko na I cannot afford buying a new one now. Or maybe, in the future, I can, but should I or will I? I don't know. So, yung isa kong Monstera Thai Constellation, it's still doing well. Hindi pa siya nagpo-produce ng bagong leaves, so siguro dapat ma-alarm na ako. Or maybe kailangan ko lang siya lagyan ng fertilizer because matagal ko na siyang hindi na-fertilize, but I think it's still doing well inside the house. So, ayun, hopefully ay wag siyang matulad sa kanyang kapatid. So, yan. Yun. So, yun lang, yun yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo, guys. And hopefully, ay meron kayong natutunan kahit paano dito sa akin na share na very tragic. Tragic talaga. Very unfortunate event last year. Yeah. Wala eh. Ganun talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. Minsan feeling natin, gets na natin yung isang plant or alam na natin kung anong nangyayari, kung paano siya alagaan. But then, you know, minsan may mga surprises talaga. Life is full of surprises. Ka nga. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you guys find this video interesting. And sana ay kahit paano meron kayong natutunan from my mistakes. So, or from the things that I did or did not do. And hopefully ay kung you're in the same situation or kung hindi man, sana ay makatulong to sa inyo as a plant parent. So, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate if you hit that hindi ko na alam yung hindi ko na alam yung sinasabi ko sa dulo dahil ang tagal ko nang hindi nagaganto. Okay. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and join the plant fam. I don't have anything more to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!